prettiest hairstyle that I've seen on all platforms. It's hands down. So if you want to know how to achieve it, don't go nowhere.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should have never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't.
Hey there, sweet cheeks, it's your girl Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, babes. And if you're new here, my name is Cindy. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to try and achieve the prettiest hairstyle that I've seen on all platforms. It's hands down. Now, can I do it? I'm not sure, but we are still going to try and achieve that hairstyle. So if you want to know how to achieve it, don't go nowhere. First things first, y'all. My hair been in those cornrow for a month or so because I have been putting my wig on. Damn, my hair is so matted. Alright, y'all, I feel like I'm running on luck if this hairstyle turn out good, because yo, nobody should ever do their hair with such dirty hair. Like, I'm even way too ashamed to show you guys, but it's bad. I know you see this. Like, yeah, it's that bad. And I feel like my part is gonna come out this dirty. Let's not even speak that into existence and get started with the hairstyle. So we are supposed to do, oh my god, guys, that's not good. What? No way. No wonder why my hair was so itchy. Let me not do that because I feel like I'm gonna mess up the part. Fuck, there's no going back. I do feel like the part should be lower because it would be, I think that's good. So we're gonna keep going. Ooh. I know y'all seen this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What product like did that to my hair? Like, I don't understand. Maybe that's why I'm getting like mad breakouts. Like, this is not okay. But let's go. You know, backing up from this now. Listen, I don't know if this part is straight, but one thing for sure, I'm not trying to spend the whole day on that hairstyle, but I feel like it's missing something though. Something is kind of missing. Let's do something like this. Hey. Lord Jesus, I am so wrong for doing this. I'm sorry if I ick you out, because I would be too. Okay? Alright, y'all. Let's put that in a bun and get started with the back. Okay. Now, dealing with this is going to be another hazard.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap. Being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you.
Only water could save me right now. Been doing, and mind you, this thing is still itchy. Like, tomorrow, not me, somebody need to wash my hair. Somebody need to. Since you guys can see the state that my hair is in right now, I'm not gonna add any more products onto it, so it's gonna be just
me blood clot.
just hair gel and water. So we're gonna spray some water first. Don't be scared. Now we're gonna try the tingle. That wasn't too bad. I feel like I need to add more water though, but not too bad. You're gonna get your sleek brush like this one, or you can use something like this. But since my hair is so thick, I'm gonna use this one for the back, and in front I'll use this one. Make sense? Okay. So now I'm gonna add some more water, just a little bit more. to wet the hair out, and then I'll detangle some more. As you can see, very easy to detangle. And I'm tender-headed, y'all, so I don't know what's in this brush. Now we're gonna grab our gel, not too much for me at least, because it's gonna be itchy. We gonna slick that down. Get your brush. Whew. So now let's tie it up. Now we're gonna grab the hair and tie it up. Now we're gonna do the two sides. So water. Don't ever forget to hydrate your hair when you're doing this, y'all. And as you guys can see, I'm not adding no oil just yet. Get your brush. That was like 1, 2, 3, so that's good. We're just gonna attach it to this one, then boom. And then we're gonna detangle the other side. Again, water, start with water. Okay, so now let's brush in the direction that we want to do the bun. Gel. Let me remove my edges. I'm gonna remove that much, even though I'm probably not gonna use it, but just, this is too much. This is better. All right, let's keep on going. Grab your sleek brush, and as you're brushing, use your hand to like sleek the hair, like I'm doing. You see that? You see that? This is what that part looked like. Next part. In procedure, get your gel, start applying it along the hair. Now get your brush and start sleeking it in the direction that you want it to go in. Let me give you a close-up. It looks white, don't worry about it just now. And that's why I say to use your hand on top of it, because I feel like when I put my hands on top of it, remove some of the whiteness. Don't quote me on that, but in my eye it does work. So maybe I'm being delulu. And one trick I managed to learn, when you're doing your bun, let's say you're doing the sleek on that side, use that hand with the ponytail, well, not ponytail, with the hair tie to start tying it down. Okay, this is the side that I'm sleeking, and so I'm using that hand. Start over there, then use the other hand, grab it like so, and then continue with the tying process. Feel free to stop whenever you feel like it's too much tension on your hair, okay? So now the last chunk of the hair. So I feel like I kind of messed up, but I don't care because it's too late. I'm not doing this over.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
Now that we're done detangling, you're gonna grab your comb, start splitting the hair so you can add it to the back portion that you already tied up. That's our first section. We're gonna grab that. Make sure you detangle it to make sure that there isn't no lump so that it can lay flat. Drop it back there, but you're gonna grab your gel and add on to it. So now brush it. Now second section, your comb, and when the hair is detangled, it's so easy to do. Grab the hair and grab it, detangle, hold the front, push it back, get your gel, and then slap it on there. Start from the root to up here, I guess. Last one. Next, last one. This is the last one. Now this is the part where we make sure that our line is straight, like it's where it needs to be.
Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in a vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a bank, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You got a mean touch, I can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect. perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you.
Now, I'm not sure if I want to leave it low and just, no, now this is giving childish. I want grown with this hairstyle, like I'm not kidding. Should I do a heart in the back since it's for like a Valentine type of photo shoot thing? Because if you shape like this, it's gonna turn into a heart and you can actually do your hair with it that way. Should I do that? Okay, this look like a cute little, ooh, the thing is my hair is not gonna fit through this. How do I make it fit? Let's see. No way, hell, no way. Let's see. Let's sleek the hair like this first and see. Ooh, I did it. I did it. I did it. Wait, can y'all? Nah, this looks too cute. Why am I saying it look cute when I'm not even done with it? What? Okay, let's see first. Okay, I think we have a heart, but I can't see the back of my hair. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Oh, I just asked my dad and he confirmed that indeed it's a heart shape. So who you talking to? Who you know? By the way, my inspo for this heart-shaped hairstyle was from that girl from IG. I love her videos. And so kudos to you, girl, because you inspire me today. We gotta do the edges and I gotta do my makeup. I am way too excited right now. So I love this. I love this for you. Happy Valentine's. It's the way you. Okay, let me cheat.
I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me
I'm doing too much right now. I'm doing too much. But nah, like, for real. I know it's looking like I'm a little bull or something, but come on. I mean,
I'm running out of time.